Hi friends, I just received my FRE free alcohol removed wine red blend. This is a California product. It's interesting. It's the first time I'm going to taste an alcohol removed wine. Let's see. First difference is that it has this kind of top. It has no cork. I don't know if I have to move this. Doesn't say. Well, let's see. Let's try it. It looks like regular wine, as you can see. Let's try it. Okay, it tastes great, but it really tastes more like juice. It doesn't have that winey wine spicy taste. It tastes more than juice, more like juice, but it's great.